Playing Minecraft Bedrock Edition and have a bed world file? This contains your block-built creations and adventures. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Minecraft Bedrock Edition world files. Near the end, we'll discuss the essential features of a professional-grade BED file inspection tool that supports hundreds of other formats as well. A BED file is associated with Minecraft Bedrock Edition, the version available on consoles, mobile, and Windows. Users encounter this extension when dealing with world data or add-ons, often seeking to modify, backup, or transfer their game worlds between different devices or platforms. The BED format is the proprietary binary container, likely using a variation of the LevelDB database structure. This design is optimized for fast read-write operations and efficient storage of vast amounts of block and entity data, which is critical for rendering large, complex game worlds smoothly. This BED file is handled by the industry-standard tool Minecraft Bedrock Edition from Mojang Studios, Microsoft. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows cannot interpret audio, texture, or mesh resources inside game containers, so special tools must be used. Let's proceed with the compatibility verification. Right-click the BED file and select Open with. Test Minecraft Bedrock Edition if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the BED format's nuances differently. If the BED file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here's a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the BED file is refusing to open. First, loading in Minecraft. Place the bed file in your Minecraft Bedrock Edition worlds directory, typically in com.mojang/minecraftworlds. Launch Minecraft Bedrock Edition and the world appears in your world list. Select to load and continue building, exploring, or playing the saved world content. Next, examining with world editors. Use external editors like MCC Toolchest or NBT Studio for inspecting and modifying BED world files. These tools support Bedrock Edition's LevelDB format, enabling block edits, player inventory modifications, and world parameter changes outside the game. Backup worlds before editing. Finally, converting between editions. Convert BD. Bedrock worlds to Java Edition format using tools like Chunker, which handles cross-edition conversion. Note that some Bedrock-specific features may not have Java equivalents, leading to data loss in conversion. Test converted worlds carefully before extensive play in the target edition. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If your issue is resolved, please comment "fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.